Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Adam speaking from iroirogo.com. I would like to introduce you to today sync.com. This is another software, or I would say cloud service that I'm using, and this is why I recommend. I've been their clients for 3 years, actually since April 2017. So now it's April 2020. And so far so good. I'm not going to go anywhere. What I found with them is good is support. They have also end-to-end encryption. They ensure you that your data is safe, secure, and 100% private, comparing with some other cloud services. So you can use as a replacement or as an add-on to what you already have. As you can see, you can sign up for free and you keep free. It's up to you whether you want to upgrade or not. You are free to upgrade at any time. One more thing, if you use the link below this video, you will get 1 giga extra. It means 6 giga. Okay, let's go a very quick inside there. When you log in, then you will see all the folders you have in. And as you can see, I have a lot of them. I will not scroll down because there are really a lot. Inside those folders, I also have other folders. Also, I have 2 folders that I share. And one is with my wife. And the good thing about that is that the person, like my wife, doesn't need to have paid account. And you, as a paid member, you don't have to have team account in order to make a team shareable folder. So here is Vault. I will not go there because it's actually the same. The difference is that Vault, everything what you put in there, it stays in the cloud secure and is not synced to your computer sync folder. Here are events. There's all logs that you do here. I will not go there either. Users, I am the only one, so there is no point to go there. And then you have the sharing, which are teams and links. Team shares means actually these are the team shares. As I say, you don't have to have team account in order to do that. And the next are links. And the link when you make, you can secure with the password, you can secure with the expiration date, and you can also limit how many times someone can download certain things. So it's good even to use when you have some ebook or something for sale and you would like to secure in some point if you don't have membership site. It's very good. Okay, here are links. These links are let's say here's PDF is just a file, but there are folders, and in these folders are documents for the clients. So you can see how many times it has been viewed. Here I even put expiration date on April 10, which I think is unnecessary because I made recently password for them. Let me go there very quick and you will see how it looks like. So this is only in the Pro account. You cannot put have password or expiration date on the free account. So let's go to link setting. Oh, by the way, if you delete link, it doesn't mean you delete all the folder from your sync account. You just delete the link, so the link won't be accessible anymore. So let's go to the link setting. Here's the link setting. I never use this. I always copy the link and then I just paste into the email. So let's go to link setting. Let's move on. And here we have it. So what happens at that point? Yeah, I have here set expiry date, but I have also password set. And label you can change. You can put the label whatever you want. So this is just for your information. When you get like email notification, it will show that it was accessed this label. So I clear expiration date and then I put save. And the thing is, when you do this, it doesn't come back to link again. It just stays as it is. In some point I would prefer it goes automatically back, but it stays here. And now you can also upload permission disable, but you can enable this. So when you have folder, you can enable also upload documents. preview permission, and then is email notification. Normally default is always disabled, but I always enable this. And enhanced privacy means that this won't be able to be viewed on smartphones, but I leave as it is disabled. And this is it. Okay, we are back to the links. Let's say when you have PDF, I mean any document, not folder, just document, and you will want to share, you will not have the option to upload the documents because it's just document, it's not folder. You cannot upload to PDF. Okay, team shares are the folders which I showed you at the very beginning, but it shows separate. We'll go quick here to setting. Hold on. So this is a setting, as you can see again, it shows how much space I use and since when I've been the members. And this is all I wanted to show you. I hope you like it. Just sign for the free account and then you will play with it and you will feel whether it's good for you or not. Let's go to upgrade. So we are in a pricing list, and I would like to show you here. First of all, here's for teams. As I say, you don't have to have team if you don't need. You have a lot of storage available. As an individual, you can also have a lot of storage available. But there is also very small for personal use. And you can have personal mini with 200 giga and then in that point you will have notification. This is one of the things if you really require that, and also you will be able to have folders as a team, and you can also request file it. Let me share with you a structure I make this to show you very clear how I use the folders and what you can eventually do as well. Main point is sharing links. So let's say I have the main folder, which is business. Then I put their year, and then each year, let's say there are some clients, for example, and let's call John and Mark are in year 2018. And John have some folders inside, Mark has his own folder inside. Now, what I would do usually is share John folder, and then he can access all the files inside his own folder. Then sometimes happen that I have to add something else there. Then the link stays the same, which is good. But then he has all those files because I don't want to take away, plus the new one. So what I usually do is I add the file and either tells him, okay, there's another file, the link stays and password the same, access and take it. Or you can give the link to the certain file, let's say to this PDF. Then when John click the link, he will have download button for only this PDF, not seeing other files. Now, when it comes to upload, this also I make for each client separate. Let's say I know that John is about to upload some pictures or some documents which are very important. I make inside John folder another folder which give access to upload. So then I give him a link. Once he upload, I know that I go to John, I get a notification that John uploaded something. Then I go to John folder, and inside this folder is his upload folder, so it doesn't mess up with some other documents that are outside of upload folder. So this is how you can organize very nice and play with the link that you want to give access to. I think it's very clear. Thank you very much for your attention, and I see you on board. Thanks.